Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling incredible because today we're diving headfirst into the future of makeup trends for 2025. Forget everything you thought you knew. We're about to embark on a journey through the most iconic jaw-dropping makeup trends. Get your brushes ready and prepare to be inspired. In today's video, I am your guide to the future of beauty. We're breaking down 7 of the biggest trends and how to make them your own. So, if you're ready to get a head start on looking sickening in 2025, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about eyes. 2025 is serving us cyborg realness with futuristic metallic eyes. This year, the runways and social feeds are all about bold, reflective finishes that look straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Metallic eyes are no longer just a trend, they're a statement. A way to instantly elevate your look and channel your inner android. Forget subtle shimmers. We're going full-on liquid metal, chrome, high-shine goodness. The effect is almost mirror-like, catching every glimmer of light and turning heads wherever you go. It's about making your eyes the focal point, with a finish that's both mesmerizing and unapologetically bold. Think T-1000 from Terminator, but make it fashion. Imagine that iconic liquid metal look, but reimagined for the beauty world. Sleek, futuristic, and totally wearable. This isn't just a pop on the inner corner, we're talking full lid washes of silver, molten gold, and iridescent blues. The color payoff is intense, and the look is all about drama and dimension. The key to making this trend wearable is in the application and formula. It's about blending with intention and choosing the right products for your skin type and style. Look for liquid eyeshadows with a foiled, wet look finish. These formulas glide on smoothly and dry down to a crease-proof, long-lasting shine that stays vibrant all day and night. For a daytime look, swipe a liquid silver shadow across your lid and keep the rest of the face minimal. Let your eyes be the star while the rest of your makeup stays fresh and understated. For a night out, layer a metallic powder shadow over a cream base for intense shine. This technique amps up the drama and gives you that high-impact editorial finish. Experiment with colors like metallic cobalt blue or deep emerald green. Don't be afraid to play with unexpected shades. Metallics look incredible in jewel tones and can be customized to suit any mood or outfit. Let the metallic texture be the star. It's about the impact of that single, powerful texture. The way it reflects light adds instant depth and makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. Apply it, pack it on the center of the lid, and lightly blend out the edges. This technique keeps the look modern and avoids harsh lines, giving you that seamless editorial finish. A smudge of the same metallic shade on the lower lash line adds a rock and roll edge. It ties the whole look together and gives your eyes a sultry, lived-in vibe. Pair it with tons of black mascara for contrast. The inky lashes make the metallic pop even more, creating a striking editorial effect. I'm using an incredible liquid shadow in a silver lavender mix. The cool undertone gives it a futuristic twist that feels fresh and unexpected. One swipe and the pigment is insane. It's so vibrant you barely need to build it up. Just one layer and you're good to go. It catches the light beautifully and feels comfortable on the lid. No heavy, cakey feeling, just pure, weightless shine that lasts. Whether you're dipping your toes in with a simple liner or diving into a full foiled lid, embrace your inner space-age superstar. There's a version of this trend for everyone, from subtle to all-out glam. Let your eyes do the talking and let them say, the future is now. Metallic eyes are more than makeup. They're a mood, a vibe, and a vision of what's next. This is a trend I can get behind. Iconic. It's bold, it's fun, and it's the perfect way to make a statement in 2025. Let's move on to the next trend. Moving on from the high-impact shine of the eyes, we're shifting our focus to something a little softer, but just as captivating. Let's talk about lips and the blurred lip trend, which is taking over runways and social feeds alike. This look is all about soft, feathered edges, a diffused wash of color, and a romantic, just-been-kissed vibe that feels both modern and nostalgic. It's effortlessly chic and beautiful, like a soft focus filter for your lips, giving you that dreamy, ethereal finish. The color is concentrated in the center and fades out softly towards the edges, creating a subtle ombre effect that flatters every lip shape. This technique gives your lips a plump, pillowy appearance, making them look naturally fuller and more inviting. Achieving this dreamy effect is surprisingly easy, and you don't need to be a makeup pro to pull it off. Start with a lip tint or creamy matte lipstick. applying color to the inner part of your lips, right where your lips naturally have the most pigment. Then, use your finger or a small brush to gently tap and smudge the color outwards, blurring the edges for that signature soft look. The goal is intense color in the middle, fading into almost nothing at the lip line, so it looks like the color is melting into your skin. If you have defined lip lines, use a tiny amount of concealer around the edges to erase harsh lines and perfect the blurred effect. This trend works with so many products: lip tints, matte lipsticks, or even satin lipsticks, so you can experiment with different finishes and shades. Today, I'm using a gorgeous berry-toned lip mousse, which is perfect for creating that soft, blurred effect. Dab a little in the center, then tap, tap, tap to blur it outwards, building up the color as you go for your desired intensity. It gives a beautiful, healthy-looking flush of color, making your lips look fresh and vibrant without being overdone. This look is perfect for every day because it's low maintenance, quick to apply, and easy to touch up on the go. It's supposed to look a little imperfect, a little lived in, which means you don't have to stress about precision. It's the ultimate "I woke up like this" lip. Effortless, natural, and totally on trend for 2025. So, if you're ready to ditch sharp lines and embrace a softer, more playful pout, the blurred lip is your new best friend this year. Now let's explore the next trend and see what else is making waves in the beauty world. If you thought metallic eyes were bold, get ready for graphic neon liner. This trend is where makeup meets modern art. We're seeing sharp geometric shapes and abstract squiggles in electrifying neon colors. Think highlighter yellow, electric blue, and hot pink. This trend is about self-expression and breaking eyeliner rules. The key is confidence and a steady hand. Invest in high-quality, water-activated cake liners or liquid liners in neon shades. Start with a floating crease or try a double-winged liner. Keep the rest of your makeup simple to let the liner be the star. I'm using an electric blue cake liner to draw a graphic shape. This trend is about embracing creativity and having fun with color. Makeup can be playful and a powerful form of self-expression. Grab your brightest liners and draw outside the lines. In 2025, your eye look is your personal masterpiece. On to the next trend. Let's talk about the canvas for all this artistry, the skin. It's the foundation for every look, and in 2025, it's all about making your skin look as healthy and radiant as possible. The obsession with glowing skin is reaching new heights with the glass skin trend, which is everywhere right now. This is skin that looks so healthy, clear, and luminous, it almost appears like a perfectly polished piece of glass. It's plump, smooth, and has a reflective sheen that catches the light from every angle, making your face look fresh and youthful. This trend is all about a skincare-first philosophy, where the focus is on nurturing your skin rather than covering it up. Hydration is absolutely key. Drink plenty of water and layer hydrating products to keep your skin bouncy and supple. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities, then follow up with a hydrating toner or essence to prep your skin for the next steps. Use a serum packed with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. These ingredients help lock in moisture and brighten your complexion. Opt for a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer and always finish with a luminous sunscreen to protect and enhance your glow. For makeup, choose products that enhance your skin's natural luminosity instead of masking it. Ditch heavy, full-coverage foundations for skin tints or tinted moisturizers that let your real skin shine through. The secret weapon? A non-shimmery liquid or balm highlighter that mimics the look of fresh, hydrated skin. Apply it to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and even the bridge of your nose for a wet look sheen. I'm obsessed with a clear highlighting balm that looks just like water on the skin, giving you that ultra-dewy finish. Tap it onto your cheekbones and anywhere you want a healthy, juicy glow that looks effortless and real. Glass skin is about celebrating real skin, focusing on health, hydration, and embracing your natural beauty. It creates a radiant, luminous canvas for any makeup look, making everything you apply on top look even better. In 2025, healthy is the new flawless. Glowing, hydrated skin is the ultimate beauty statement. Ready to see what's next? Let's move to the next trend. Let's talk about the frames of the windows to your soul, your eyebrows. In 2025, we're seeing a shift towards bold, structured, and personal statement brows. This isn't the overplucked 90s brow or the super stenciled Instagram brow. It's about embracing your natural shape and enhancing it. Think Brooke Shields in the 80s, but with a modern twist. The key is fullness and definition. Let your brows grow in and use a brow growth serum. Shape them by cleaning up the edges for a strong, defined look. Use ultra-fine brow pencils for realistic hair-like strokes. After filling them in, use a strong-hold brow gel. Brush them up and slightly over for a full, lifted effect. A statement brow frames the face and adds confidence to your look. I'm using a super fine brow pen to add fullness. In 2025, let your brows have their moment. Nurture them, shape them with intention, and style them with confidence. Let's explore the next trend. Get ready for the return of monochromatic makeup. This is the art of using one color family across your eyes, cheeks, and lips. It creates a cohesive, harmonious, and elegant look. The beauty of this trend is its simplicity and versatility. You can do a monochromatic look with any color. The key is that all elements of your makeup speak the same color language. It's a lifesaver when you're in a hurry. The easiest way is with a multi-use product like a cream blush stick. Swipe it on your cheeks, lips, and eyelids for a full face from one product. You can also use different products from the same color family. I'm using a mauve pink cream blush for a monochromatic look. Apply it to cheeks, lips, and eyelids for a cohesive effect. It's a technique that creates elegant, timeless looks. In 2025, pick one color and stick with it for a high-impact look. Sometimes less really is more. Let's move to the final trend. For our final trend, we're looking at eco-friendly packaging and AI-personalized beauty products. In 2025, beauty is getting smarter and more sustainable. We're seeing a rise in refillable products and eco-friendly packaging. Brands are stepping up to reduce plastic waste. Refillable products save money and reduce waste. Packaging is made from recycled materials and innovative biodegradable materials. As consumers, we can support brands making a real effort to be sustainable. Now for AI-personalized beauty, technology and makeup have a baby. Imagine a foundation custom mixed to match your exact skin tone. AI-powered apps recommend perfect products and create custom shades. This technology makes beauty more inclusive and personalized. It's efficient, innovative, and changing how we interact with makeup. This dual trend of sustainability and smart technology is shaping the future. Choose refillable, support sustainable brands, and embrace personalized tech. It's a beautiful new world out there. Let's wrap up. And there you have it. 7 iconic makeup trends for 2025. From liquid chrome eyes to smart, sustainable products, I'm excited for the year ahead. Makeup is about fun and self-expression, and these trends offer incredible ways to do just that. Which trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and hanging out with me today. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.